Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to set up double press volume button to open camera. This is basically a shortcut for opening the camera, guys. So the method is for setting it up is just go to settings and then scroll down so that we have an option of a additional setting. So just tap here and then comes to gesture shortcuts. Okay, in this section on the very bottom we have an option of a double tap fingerprint sensor. So just tap on the none. And then we have all these options: control center, notification set, launch digital assistant, launch camera. So by the way, the topic is for launch camera, so just tap on the launch camera and that's it. So okay, now let's see when I double press on the power button. Okay, so that's how the camera is now open. So this is a shortcut for launching the camera, guys, and this is one of the setting for setting it up. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.